Did you know that the creature we often call a starfish is not a fish at all? Indeed, it is quite a different being. These fascinating animals belong to a group called echinoderms, which means spiny skin. They are marine invertebrates, living in oceans all around our planet, from warm tropical waters to the cold depths of the polar seas. Their most striking feature, of course, is their star-like shape, which gives them their common name. Scientists, however, prefer to call them sea stars, a name that better reflects their true nature and their home beneath the waves. Sea stars present a beautiful variety of forms and colors. Most have 5 arms radiating from a central disc, but some species can boast many more, even up to 40 or 50 arms. Their upper surface can be smooth, granular, or spiny, often adorned in vibrant hues of red, orange, blue, or purple. Underneath, they possess hundreds of tiny tube feet like little suction cups. These feet are operated by a clever water vascular system, allowing the sea star to move slowly but surely across the seabed. One of the most astonishing talents of the sea star is its power of regeneration. This is not simply healing a wound, it is the ability to regrow entire lost body parts. If a sea star loses an arm, it can, over time, grow a new one. For many sea star species, a single severed arm can regrow into a complete new individual, provided that a small portion of the central disc remains attached. The cells within the sea star hold an ancient blueprint, allowing them to rebuild and renew. Specialized cells, like stem cells in humans, transform and differentiate into all the various cell types needed to reconstruct the missing limb. This ability highlights a fundamental difference in how life can persist and recover from damage. This remarkable ability makes the sea star a true survivor, constantly adapting and overcoming challenges. The sea star's ability to regenerate offers us profound lessons, far beyond the realm of marine biology. It speaks to us of resilience, the capacity to recover from difficulties and bounce back stronger. When a sea star loses a limb, it does not simply give up. It begins the slow, patient process of rebuilding. This is a powerful metaphor for our own lives. We all face setbacks, losses, and challenges that can feel overwhelming. The sea star shows us that healing and regrowth are possible. In our human experience, these lost limbs might be a failed project, a broken relationship, or a period of personal struggle. The sea star's example encourages us to believe in our own capacity for recovery. It teaches us that even when we feel diminished, we possess an innate ability to mend and to grow anew. Sea stars are not merely fascinating for their regenerative powers. They also play a crucial role in their underwater ecosystems. Many sea star species are considered keystone species. A keystone species is an organism that helps to define an entire ecosystem. Without its keystone species, the ecosystem would be dramatically different or might even cease to exist altogether. One classic example of their ecological importance is their role as predators of mussels and barnacles. In many coastal areas, if sea stars were absent, mussel populations could grow unchecked. By keeping mussel numbers in check, sea stars help to create a more diverse and stable environment. Furthermore, sea stars can also be important indicators of ocean health. Because they're sensitive to changes in water quality, temperature, and pollution, a decline in sea star populations can often signal underlying problems in the marine environment. In conclusion, the humble sea star, with its radiant form and extraordinary abilities, offers us more than just a glimpse into the wonders of marine life.